is Jeremy Gamble. I'm originally from Georgetown, South Carolina, the low country, so you see. And my dad was actually, is, not anymore, but sometimes we want to play, but a master welder. And he worked at the steel mill in Georgetown for 43 years. I never wanted to pick up welding. I'm just being honest, I never wanted to pick up welding. Right after high school, I went in the Marine Corps. I did a couple tours to Afghanistan. Rock. And I just needed to pick up a trade after coming back home and trying to get back integrated in society. And like I said, with my dad being a welder, I did not want to be a welder. I just did. Last year, I took the HVAC program. And during grazing, during HVAC, I was like, I think I want to weld. I don't want to do this no more. So I went, enrolled into the welding program, and I really found a home in the welding program. I have a long background in logistics and, with HVAC and firearms and a lot of stuff with my tour in the Marine Corps, but welding, I think it kind of made me feel at home in a new trade that I can really see myself doing for the rest of my life and provide for my kids. I don't think I'll be able to weld in the new facility I want to. Maybe I need to stay back. but here, I'm originally from Georgetown, like I said, but here I volunteer as a football coach for the 4G in Spartanburg, the county of Spartanburg, and each dollar, each day makes a difference for us students. Each mile, each, because it really is a daily thing. Some days, everything can possibly go wrong, will go wrong. I just had to happen. And when you don't have to worry about where the next dollar is coming from, whether it's materials, time, fuel, gas, everything, it really makes a difference. So to all the donors, and me being a little bit older, and really seeing how every penny and every dollar really does count, I want to say thank you, because it really makes a difference.